How to allow unknown sources on Android. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your settings and using the search tool, search for unknown and navigate to that page. And as you can see right here, you'll find all of the apps that you can allow the source to install app from. Say for example, you can see here Google Chrome, it says not allowed. All what you have to do is click on it, and then you will see this option that says allow from this source with a toggle next to it. So click on that toggle to turn it on, and by doing that you have just allowed the app installation from Google Chrome. If we go back, you will see that Google Chrome is now allowed to install apps from. It's that easy and simple, and you can do the same with the rest. So that was it for this video. That's how you can install apps from unknown sources and allow them on your Android phone. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.